Keep them steady as you stack. Room for one more on this pallet. Okay, bring the next load in. We have space in the front.
Here at the facility, powerful food-safe water jets provide a thorough initial clean. Our diverse team then inspects.
Make sure the heavy ones go into this lane.
Got it. We need to speed up the smalls.
We are maintaining optimal flow rate. Yeah.
Yes, the consistency is exactly what we need.
The fresh watermelon pulp enters the system, where centrifugal separators ensure that only the purest, crystal-clear red.
Keep an eye on the temperature at the exchanger.
Reading steady, engineer. We are clear to proceed.
Temperature is stable at 75 degrees Celsius.
Acknowledged. Flow rate is optimal.
The temperature is stabilizing right on schedule. And the flow rate looks optimal.
The Brix measurement on the orange juice is stable.
Good.
Check the density meter reading next.
Upon arrival, every truck undergoes a rigorous 14-point inspection to ensure absolute sterility before loading.
Slow now, bring it back just a foot.
Looks good there. Grab the yellow strap, make sure it's tight,